Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the VIN Check Report app, used cars, and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. VIN Check Report is an automotive app that allows users to verify the history of used cars through their vehicle identification number, VIN. The app provides details on accident history, title status, service records, mileage verification, and ownership data. It helps potential buyers make informed decisions before purchasing a used vehicle. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate its simple interface, quick VIN lookup, and detailed reports. It can highlight hidden issues like salvage titles or odometer discrepancies, which is particularly useful when evaluating second-hand cars. Many users also like that you can save or export reports for future reference. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Some features, such as full access to detailed reports or historical data, require a subscription. There may also be occasional inaccuracies if the vehicle's records are incomplete or not updated in the database. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button, it really supports the channel. In summary, the VIN Check Report app may be worth using if you're planning to buy or inspect used cars. It shines in providing quick, detailed insights into a vehicle's history and potential red flags. However, if you only need basic information or don't want to pay for premium reports, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.